How to free ChatGPT 5.6 Unlimited Image Generator. ChatGPT 5.6 lets you generate images for free, but there are limits. Here's how to maximize your usage. So start by creating an account on ChatGPT. You can also create an account on the app. Now in the chat box, type a prompt like generate a cartoon cat sitting on a laptop, and ChatGPT will produce an image in line. Hit on enter to send your prompt. So make sure to be specific, include style, colors, and context. For example, a minimalist flat icon of a coffee cup, pastel colors. This reduces retries and save your limited free generations. The ChatGPT app also supports image generation, handy for quick creative tasks on the go. Free accounts have a daily cap on image requests. Unlimited use requires ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. ChatGPT 5.6 free image generation is perfect for casual use. If you hit limits daily, upgrading is the only way to go unlimited.